दिस इज़ ज़फ़र अली फ्राम दी ज़फ़र ट्यूटोरियल। सो मैं आज आपके लिए ले आया हूँ। सो जैसे कि आपको पता है मैंने एडवांस ग्रामर स्ट्रक्चर शुरू कर दिया है, उसके लिए मैं आपको बुक रेफ़र करने वाला हूँ जो मैं आपको आज बताने वाला हूँ। सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट बुक विच आई एम follow. So I am recommended for you to take this book. This is the best book, Oxford Practice Grammar. This is the best book for you. I am recommending you. You can purchase this by online. This is available on the online. So I am advising you should purchase this book. And another book which I am advising you to buy, English, to the point English grammar. This is also a best book and a composition. This is also a very special book for grammar. So I am these two books I am recommended you. And other book, Renan and Martin, is also I am recommended you for this. So you should buy these books to understand the advanced grammar. So if you like this short video, then share with your friends and must subscribe my channel. Thank you.